Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. I've got a GeForce RTX 3060 here with 12 gigabit of RAM. It's a GPU, so that's, if you don't know what that is, it's a graphics card. I'll just unbox it and show you what you get in the box in a minute. I've got quite a good reasonable system. My graphics card is actually quite good too, but it's an AMD graphics card, and some of the things that I'm trying to do, some of the software and things is made for NVIDIA cards. I won't bother explaining too much. You'll probably know if you know about video cards and GPUs, then you'll know what I'm talking about. So I've had to get this, which in some ways is a little bit of a step down from my AMD card, which does most things really well, but with certain particular things that I'm trying to do, this card will pick up the slack from where the AMD just hasn't been able to be put to use properly. So anyway, we'll get into opening this up in the box. When it came shipped, it had been hit on that corner, but I don't think that'll matter. It seems like it's overpackaged like most things these days. So I'll just get it out and I'll put that box aside. Maybe I can just sit it there. I'll just stand it up. You can see that in the shot. Okay. Yeah, a lot of packaging as per usual these days. Now, don't know what they put in here. Probably some. Okay, so you get a quick start guide. It's going to tell you how to put it into your computer. Hopefully, if you're doing this type of thing, you may be experienced already. If you're not experienced, let me give you a couple of little tips. Make sure you're wearing clothes that don't produce static. Make sure you're grounded. You get rid of any static off your fingers or anything before you touch the card or start working on the computer. You can have static build up, and that can actually damage the electronics. So you've got some other thing here, a reward program. I don't know what that's about. Don't know whether it costs money, but there you go. That's what you get in this quite expensive looking envelope, which I would have probably preferred they made something cheaper and gave me another $1 off the cost of the card. Anyway, that's all you get in there, so that's that. Probably need to download drivers, I would say. And we'll just get the card out and have a quick look. Okay, I'll put this box aside. There's probably not much to talk about here, but I'll get it out because I know some people are really into gaming and GPUs, so I'll get it out and we'll have a good look around it. Okay, so as you can see, MSI GeForce RTX 3060, 12 gigabyte of RAM. It looks like it's got quite a bit of cooling going on there. Let me see if I can show that. It's yeah, it's got quite a bit of cooling. Two large fans. When I was looking, part of the reason I chose this card is the fans are supposed to be quite efficient and reasonably quiet. So I hope they're as quiet as my AMD card that I've got. Power supply. Okay, they've covered up. They've actually put a cover on here to protect and to stop you from probably giving it static. So you'll need to take that cover off when you're going to install. And they've also put covers or plugs into the HDMI and DVI ports if it's DVI. I'm not sure, I didn't even look to see whether they're all HDMI or, yeah, some DVI. So one HDMI by the look of it, the rest are not. But yeah, these are quite pricey, these cards. I don't know, you see quite a few advertised second hand, and second hand, when I looked at them, the prices were about the same as when I looked around to get new. So I wouldn't be, you don't know what somebody's been using these cards for and how many hours they've been running. Some people that I know who are into gaming basically are glued to their computer. Yeah, the computer's just running non-stop, so the card's working hard, fans are running all the time. You know, even if it's only a year old, you can imagine if someone's gaming for 12 or 16 hours a day, 7 days a week, or doing some other thing. Someone might be doing something where it's running 24/7. Yeah, you wouldn't pay the same amount of money as what you're going to get for a new one, which comes with full warranty. I can't remember what the warranty was on this. I think it's 2 years from memory. But whatever it is, you buy second hand, you've got nothing. So my experience also is a lot of people that sell things second hand when it's electronics and things, there's some problem. That's why they're selling it. So yeah, anyway, that's it. That's a GeForce card. Looks like a nice unit. I will, if there's any problems or any quirks or anything, I will put that in the comments. You can look around online if you're interested in a card like this, but just be aware there's a few different versions. For those that know about GPUs, you don't need to listen to this, but I think there's even a 6 GB version, but the most common is 8. This one's 12. So it depends on what you're doing and how much you're loading into the GPU's RAM. I will probably utilize the 12 for what I'm going to do. So it should be quicker than the 8. For gaming, maybe it wouldn't make any difference. That I'm not sure of. I'm not into gaming, not much anyway. So yeah, there you go. Like and subscribe. If you've got any comments, put them below. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I will catch you later on.